Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations, Explorations, Meditations, No Expectations, Reverberations, Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. Thanks for watching, always thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Please share the videos, please contribute. Thank you. Today is Saturday. Usually we talk about the loner vibration on Saturday because that's what governs Saturdays for the most part. Although, every once in a while, we have to speak about the rebel. We don't speak about the rebel often enough. One reason is the rebel doesn't actually have his own day. Rebel is so different and so weird and so unique, it doesn't have a day for itself. So mysterious. But it sometimes co-opts Saturday, occasionally Tuesday too. But since it's Saturday, today we will give the loner a rest just for a week. And we will speak about the rebel. And when the rebel governs spirituality, it brings the spiritual path called Tantra. Very mistaken in the West. The West thinks it's all just about sex. It's not. It's an unusual spiritual path. It's a unique spiritual path. It's a different spiritual path. It's a rebellious spiritual path. It goes against the norm type of thing. John Lennon from the Beatles was a rebel spiritually. I've been watching that Get Back series. You see the rebel in him. He counters everything. He, makes fun of everything. Especially conventional things. This is what rebels do. The music has to be rebellious. Not even an interval associated with it. Music has to be weird. You might not be able to see it, but I put pens in my bridge. Pens. See that? Pens. Who the heck does that? Except some base rebel. Woo! Osho was a rebel spiritually. He was a tantric teacher. When I say Osho, sometimes people say, oh no, Osho, not that guy. That's why they say that, because he was weird. He was different. He stirred up controversy. That's what rebels do. They stir up controversy, ladies and gentlemen. They stir up controversy. But this guy was brilliant. Beyond the controversies, you got to go beyond the controversies. He was brilliant. He had a brilliant mind. Let's hear what he has to say. Osho said, become absolutely non-thinking. Only then does awareness happen that you have become one with someone. And this feeling of oneness can then be detached from the partner, and it can be used with the whole universe. Once you know how to create this circle, it can be created with anything, even without anything. Even without anything, you can create this circle. You can create this circle within yourself, because man is both man and woman. And woman is both woman and man. You are both because you were created by two. You were created by man and woman both. So, half of you remains the other. You can forget everything completely, and the circle can be created within you. Once the circle is created within you, your man is meeting your woman, the inner woman is meeting the inner man. You are in an embrace with yourself. when this circle is created is real celibacy attained. And only when this circle is created is real celibacy attained. When this circle is created inside, you are freed. When this circle is created inside, you are freed. So today, be wild, be crazy. Do something you wouldn't normally do. Don't get arrested, or if you do get arrested, don't blame me for it. Explore your inner rebel today. Read some Oh No, Osho. Not Yoko Ono, but Oh No, Osho. Or listen to some John Lennon, or Albert Eiler, woo! Or Jerry Lee Lewis, the Killer. Some Bob Marley. Think about it. Think about it. Think about it. Think about it. Think about it.